Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can advance your true pass, not ordinary pass into the space, but you can lob the true pass in this match. In the match, you will have to be advanced for a difficult player or difficult opponent. So I give you an example. I'm going to play in a match, a league tour. Tap the match, tap the play. Yeah, welcome to the match. As you can see, this is a true pass. This is ordinary true pass. If you tap one more, tap one time, you can make a true pass, a lob true pass by flicking to the flick up the button. Like this, lob the true, or you can flick down to trigger your player to run. So you can advance your gameplay in a match to defeat a difficult opponent, or your opponent playing high defensive line, I mean. So feel free to try. Don't forget to thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.